Hello everyone, welcome to our channel I Love Coding. Uh, Today we are going to write a program in Java where we will be using nested for loops, and our program will be to print the table from 2 to 20. So let do not waste your time and get started. Our first loop, it will run from 2 to 20. You can see we are getting an error which is shown on the left. It is because of not writing the data type int before I, which I will correct. Let's write the output statement. My system is a bit slow, so do not panic, it will be okay. Leave it. Now let's write the second, not second, actually it print out printing statement. In this we will write table of, which will give us the heading table of the number we are going to write. So now second loop, this loop will run from 1 to 10. Increment. Now next printing statement, this this printing statement will be our major important part, but before that let's correct the errors. Int I, int j. Now printing statement, I would try to give the output a little much more user friendly. That's why I am writing these statements and giving spaces, adding, different merging characters and integers at the same time. uh, and now we are done. Let's run the program. Control F11, and here is the output. Let's scroll down, but it looks little nasty as there is no spaces. Let's add some more space. Sorry for the delay, my system is little slow and it starts to not respond, pointer starts to little frustrate me. Sys out, control space, and now /n, and we are done. So now you can look at the output, it's almost done. Let's make it a bigger space to give a better view. Now scrolling, and you can see all the tables. if if you have any doubts, you can comment down below. I'll try to solve as many queries as possible. And thank you all for watching. I hope you might have enjoyed the video. Thank you.